Greetings everyone, this is Jim Todd with Video Surgeon, and in this weekly tip we're going to look at a very useful feature, but I think one that's often overlooked. So as you can see on my screen, I have a video set up. I've identified a loop down here. Let's just allow it to play. Okay, so you can see we've got this ping pong player hitting the ball at fairly rapid succession, and it's because it's looping, so he's doing the same thing over and over and over again. Now, a couple of tricks here obviously are to zoom in so we can better see, and another one of course is to slow down. So let's slow the tempo down, and now let's take a watch. So this ability to slow it down and then to have it loop repetitively helps us sort of burn this into our brains and to watch it repetitively so we can sort of better understand what's going on and see the nuances, and just the repetition is very helpful. But when we export this loop, even if we export it at 25%, typically it's only going to play once. And this is where this little unique trick comes in, because if we go down to the loop here and we select Edit and we change the loop count from 999, which is basically infinite, to 3, for example, select OK, we've now set this at 3. Now if we go up here to Export, Current Loop, I'm going to save it here as an MP4, going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Ping Pong 3 Loop, and you'll see why in just a second. So once I've given it a name, I'm then going to check this box right here which says on export create number of loops specified in the loop count. In other words, previously we had gone to the loop settings by going to the edit button and we had set this to 3. So that means when we export, we're going to export this at 25%, and we're going to export 3 copies of this. So once we're done exporting and we open it up, instead of playing once, it's going to play this back 3 times or give us 3 iterations. So in essence, it's a way to create a video, take it outside a Video Surgeon and play it in any other player and still have it give you this sense of looping or repetition and things. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we're starting the export process right now. And it is done, so let's go ahead and open that video which we've just created. So it should be in the export folder, called it Ping Pong 3 Loop. There it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so we have it opening on our screen, and as I mentioned before, it should play 3 times at 25%. So let's go ahead and just watch this. There's number 1. There's number 2. And there's number 3. So keep this little option in mind that's found in Video Surgeon, because it allows you to take a video outside of the program and have it play repetitively, meaning with whatever number of iterations you want to set. So with that, we'll conclude this weekly video tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.